So now guys, today topic is in traffic manager. Now the traffic manager is a simply the Azure traffic manager redirect the traffic app service traffic. Azure traffic manager redirect app services traffic as per the requirement. That means ki the simple side ki there's the n number of app services available. Like I have a three app services available. One is US, second is in like India, and another is one is available is like Canada. Like these are the three app services available. Like US app service, is it like India app services, and it look like Australia app service. And now between this, I'm using a traffic manager. This is my traffic manager. The traffic manager use a different ways to redirect a traffic. There's the n number ways of available in a traffic manager. Look like you can redirect the traffic is based on priority. You can redirect the traffic based on performance. You can redirect the traffic is based on geographical. Now you can redirect the traffic is based on weight. You can redirect is traffic is based on a subnet network. So these are the different ways. Like there are some user is available, like user 1, user 2, and user 3 and user 4. These four user is available, and now these all four user is available in a different locations. It look like a user 1 is available in US location, user 2 is available is look like in India, and like a user 3 is available in look like Australia, and again the user 4 is available in look like Canada. The every user access my website. So now I'm set. If I'm set the priority, like I'm set a priority is this is a 1 and priority is this 2, and like this is a priority is 3. Now in that scenario, now the my all traffic is moved up priority 1. Like if any user search my website, so the traffic or I'm set the priority 1. So now the my all request move in a app service 1. Yani ki this all user is search, the my all users traffic move in a US application. When this is goes down, then the second priority, then the all request move in this direction. The traffic manager automatically redirect the traffic is US to India. If my this traffic is goes down, like a priority 2 is goes down, then the traffic manager again redirect my request to this direction. Got it the point on priority? Bhaskar, got it the point? Based on a priority. Now the another option is performance or geographic. Geographic means that if I'm just map, like if India user is access, so now the India user is go for this location, US location is go to this location, and like a Canada location is go to like this location, and like Australia location is come to the this location. Got it the point? Is it clear? The when is another same is the performance. Performance is like nearest. Like if user 2 is Australia is like a Canada is based on look like a key I'm set a performance base. A performance is based like a this Canada user search is like a 3, but Canada search because this is the best performance in India. So now maybe if the Canada sometimes access in India, Canada sometimes access in app services, US and Canada sometimes access in Australia. It's based on key it's move request to any server or any location based on a performance. Same as I'm set a weight, the lowest weight is preferred. If I'm set a lowest weight, so now my request come to this particular app service. So now we can handle with the help of these all options, we can redirect the traffic की जो हम अपने ऐप सर्विसेज की मैपिंग करना चाहते हैं, अपनी वेबसाइट्स की मैपिंग करना चाहते हैं, तो बेस्ड ऑन कि हम किस तरीके से अपने जो इनकमिंग जो हमारा आउटगोइंग ट्रैफिक है, जो भी हमारा आउटसाइड ट्रैफिक है, वो हमारी ऐप सर्विसेज पे आ रहा है, वो किस डायरेक्शन में रिडायरेक्ट हो, बेस्ड ऑन लाइक priority based or either is based on performance based or either is on geographic based and the subnet based and weighted based. Got it the point, Bhaskar? Guys, is it clear? Now I'm just moving how to execute this lab. So abhi मैं आपको एक ही lab करा रहा हूँ. Now the rest I'm just covering tomorrow. I'm just covering this lab. So today I'm just covering a priority based. So before priority based, I'm just created two app services in two different regions. Now it's simply I'm just go to the Azure portal. I'm already logged in with Azure portal. Give me a minute. I'm verifying my portal. And create a one resource group. Is create traffic manager. And now I'm deploy this traffic manager in look like East US location. And now click on create. And create. Now the same as I'm just deploy two app services, and our last class I'm already deployed the app services. Again I'm deploy the app services and create and select same resource group like I'm just select is like a US app. So this is my US app one. I'm just give the name is US app one. And now based on code, this is code based, and now I'm select or either I'm using this one US app, and now search in like PHP, and now in central US, so I'm select the East US location, and after that I'm using a basic tier. So here I'm using a basic because in the last class I'm already explained you the other things. So I'm just select a B1 is it simply basic part. I'm selecting the basic tier, and now click on review and create. So before clicking you and give is accepted, and now or now I'm not select a basic because the basic SKU is not support our traffic manager. You can see if I'm select this one, so now you can see the traffic manager is not supported. Got it the point? So now I'm just change up, I'm just come to the production, I'm select this one, or inside you can see that it support a traffic manager, and now I'm just click on apply. And next and review and create. Now the same as I'm just create one more traffic app services because I'm just created this app services in like a US location is a traffic manager is resource group, and I'm create a US app in code and based on the PHP, and the Linux based is using a East US, and now click on create. Now the one more app services I'm creating, like I'm creating India location. So I'm just using a two different locations. So it's simply I'm just come to the home and then again click on app services and create one more app services in a two different location, but I'm using the same resource group and click on like India app. So I'm using this is my India app is available and based on and now use in based on this. Now I'm select again based on Java or PHP whatever. Now I'm using in look like in Central India or North India, whatever you choice. So I'm using here is it Central India location. Now the same size I'm using a same tire size and you can see the what is this size. So between 2 and 10 total, that was the traffic manager supported. Now review and create. After that I'm just upload a website. So in a bot traffic manager, I'm just uploaded two different website. Like and suppose the US using a different website and India using a different website because I'm not using a same website. If I'm just apply a same website, so you are not understand easily. So that's why I'm upload a two different websites. So जिससे आपको पता लग जाए कि मेरा जो traffic है वो किस particular location पे traffic manager redirect कर रहा है. So now I'm just come to the home and click on app services and inside the app services this is US app and inside the US app I'm just come to the deployment center or inside the deployment center you can see the username and password and I'm just click on FTP credentials and inside the FTP credentials I'm set a password. So this is my user app slash dollar US app. So this is ICCP info is my username. I'm set a password is ASD at 1234. ASD at 1234 and now click on save. So my both app service is ready to use and now I'm just upload a website, click on overview, then copy hostname and search in FileZilla. Then username, this is my username, copy the username and then paste in this location. And then same as I'm just using like a password. So password is ASD. Now quick connect. So my this traffic US traffic manager US app services connected with my systems. And now I'm just upload a website. So I'm just delete the existing default website and upload the my custom website. Then same as I'm using another app services. So I'm just again back to the app services and now refresh. You can see the another app service is visible, India apps. Now click and now I'm set a password for deployment center. I'm just click on a deployment center, then FTP credentials and again set the password of this location. I'm using the same password. Choice is here, you're using a same or different password. Now you can see that my website is running in uploading. Now my website is successfully uploaded. Then same as I'm just come to the overview and inside the overview and you can just copy the host name and again login with FileZilla. and copy username. Now connect, and now I'm just upload this one website to this location. Now clear everyone till now? So now I'm just upload a website in a both location in both app services, and then you can see if I'm just come to the US app services and I'm check the US URL. So US app, what is the name of the US app website? So I'm check and then paste in this location. So this is my US app, and if I'm check in my India app, so now I'm just click on India app, and then I'm just come to copy this URL and paste in the browser. So guys, अभी देखिए there are the two different app services are located with the two different URL. बट मैं इनको एक एज अ प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी के तौर पे करना चाहता हूँ लाइक अ प्राइमरी की अगर मेरी फर्स्ट डाउन हो तो मेरी जो रिक्वेस्ट है ऑटोमेटिकली सेकंड पर मूव हो जाए. तो उसके लिए वी आर यूजिंग अ प्रायोरिटी कि अब कि मेरा वन नेटवर्क अगर मेरी एक ऐप सर्विसेज डाउन जाती है तो मेरी जो है अनदर ऐप सर्विसेज से मूव हो जाए. सो मैं उसके लिए क्या करूंगा, आई एम यूजिंग अ प्रायोरिटी. इट लुक लाइक अ लोड बैलेंसर. Like कि when my this app is goes down, so it's automatically direct to priority 2, or if the priority 2 is down, then it redirect to priority 3. So it depends on you can create a n number of app services. So it is simply how to execute this lab. So it is simply I'm just configure the traffic manager, and I'm to configure a priority based traffic manager today. So I'm just click on here and go to the portal and search. I'm just close this both URLs and I'm searching traffic manager. This is my traffic manager, and now create traffic manager. And search like ICCP TRAFIC traffic. And now the performance. So, but I'm selecting based on a priority. So I'm select a priority based, and the resource group I'm select my resource group. And reason is deploy in East US locations because of my resource group is available in this location. Now click on create. So now guys, I'm create a traffic manager based on a priority. When my traffic manager is deployed, then we can add it generate a URL. जब मेरा ट्रैफिक मैनेजर बन जाएगा तो ये मेरे को एक URL देगा जिसके थ्रू हम अपनी वेबसाइट ओपन करेंगे. तो द डिप्लॉयमेंट इज इन प्रोग्रेस. कि अभी मैंने क्या करा है, नाउ आई एम जस्ट क्रिएट वन ट्रैफिक मैनेजर. अब मैं क्या करूंगा, आई एम ऐड ऐप. जो भी मैंने ऐप बनाई है मैं उन एप्स को किसके साथ अटैच करूंगा, ट्रैफिक मैनेजर के लिए. और यहाँ पर जो ट्रैफिक मैनेजर बनाया आई एम जस्ट क्रिएट अ बेस्ड ऑन अ प्रायोरिटी. सो जब भी मैं ऐप सेट करूंगा तो वो मेरे से पूछेगा कि आप किस ऐप को क्या प्रायोरिटी रखना चाहते हो. लाइक आई एम सेट यूएस ऐप प्रायोरिटी इज 1 और इंडिया ऐप प्रायोरिटी इज 2. So by default, my all request in user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4 comes in a US app. When my US app is goes down or delete or anything, so my request is automatically move in India app. Got it the point? So how to execute it? Simply, I'm just come to here and click on a refresh. This is my ICCP traffic. Now click, then endpoints and add points. So they click on add. This is my Azure endpoint. Give the name is like I'm just create is like a US app. And now I'm using a service. I'm using app services. Target I'm select India app services. So wait a minute. Is it wait guys? Just I'm refresh a portal because my both app service is not visible in this location. So again I'm refresh one more time. Now click on endpoints, then add, give the name is like my like a US app service service. Now the target is app services, and now select this is India is visible, is it priority is one. So wait, I'm just select INDI India app, and I'm select India app services, and then click on add. तो गाइस यहाँ पर मैंने एक ऐप सर्विसेज क्रिएट करी है इंडिया, जिसकी मैंने एंड पॉइंट क्या दे दिया है 1. नाउ इफ यू कैन कम टू द ट्रैफिक मैनेजर and you can see this is a traffic manager URL, and I'm just click on here and paste, and now enter. You can see it's forward, it's redirect my okay, it's required a domain name, it's required a custom domain name, is required a app services domain name. So you may be assigned the error due to the one of the reason listed below. Custom domain has not configured inside the Azure. See how to manage an existing domain to resolve this, and client cache still point out. So I'm just copy. तो गाइस ये इसलिए आ रहा है कि मैं इसको अपने नाम यानी कि डोमेन नेम से भी एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ. तो डोंट वरी, ये इतना बिग चैलेंज नहीं है, आने वाली लैब्स में हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. नाउ I'm just come to the incognito window and paste and enter. तो वेट, मेरे ट्रैफिक मैनेजर अपडेट नहीं हुआ है अभी. Now again refresh. Now I'm just adding a one more endpoint. Add, select cloud service, so app services. Now you can see the US app is visible. Is I'm set a priority 2. This is my US app 2. So update होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लग रहा है guys. और I'm set a priority is 2, यानी कि I'm just set a priority. India app की जो priority है वो मैंने 1 set करी है, and US app priority I'm set in 2. Got it the point? So the by default my app service, like somebody access my website, so the priority 1. So now the my app service request directly comes in a India app. So by default मेरी जो request है वो India app पर जाएंगी. Now I'm refresh and just wait guys, थोड़ा update होने में time लग रहा है. So this is a way. Now if you are using a custom domain, so you can also add a DNS. So यहाँ पर हम अपना DNS का concept भी लेके आएंगे. एंड डीएनएस के थ्रू हम क्या करेंगे कि ये जो हमारा यूआरएल है, जो हम ऐप सर्विसेज का यूआरएल यूज कर रहे हैं, तो हम इस यूआरएल को भी, पर्टिकुलर यूआरएल को भी चेंज कर सकते हैं अपने डोमेन नेम से. क्यों? क्योंकि कोई भी कंपनी इस नाम से तो एक्सेस करेगी नहीं. आपकी जो सर्विसेज एक्सेस होंगी वो बेस्ड ऑन एक्सेस होंगी आपकी बेस्ड ऑन अ यूआरएल. सो मैं इस यूआरएल को मैपिंग करेंगे विद द सी नेम रिकॉर्ड और इलियास नेम के थ्रू, और हम इसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं अपने डोमेन नेम के साथ. सो now http ICCP traffic manager.net. just wait guys, वो अपडेट होने में टाइम ले रहा है. so it's give the website is not found, we may be see the error due to one of the reason is listed below, and custom domain has not been configured inside the Azure. so मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज करता हूँ, मैं एंड पॉइंट्स में जाता हूँ, एंड नाउ मैं एंड पॉइंट्स में क्या करता हूँ, आई एम जस्ट कम टू द इंडिया ऐप, एंड मैं इंडिया ऐप की प्रायोरिटी 10 कर देता हूँ, and now click on save. Click on home, then again. So guys, this is a way you can configure traffic manager, and यहाँ पे कि एरर आ रहा है, वैसे एरर आना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर आपके पास डीएनएस भी नहीं है तो भी ये आपका ट्रैफिक मैनेजर हो जाएगा। सो यहाँ पे अपडेट की इशू है। सो अगर आप थोड़ा वेट करेंगे तो ये आपका अपडेट हो जाएगा और आपकी जो भी वेबसाइट्स हैं वो आपकी पर्टिकुलर इन्हीं यूआरएल से ही एक्सेस हो जाएगी। तो राउटिंग प्रायोरिटी, now I'm just come to the end point. So अभी गाइस अपडेट होने में मेरा टाइम लग रहा है, दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम विद अपडेट्स। भास्कर, गॉट इट द पॉइंट? द कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So just a minute, I'm try one more time, so if it's possible. So again it's give the error. So I'm adding a custom domain. So मेरे को यहाँ पे custom domain ऐड करना पड़ेगा। तो मैं custom domain अभी इसलिए नहीं ला रहा था क्योंकि मैं आगे एक्टिव डायरेक्टरी DDS कराऊंगा। सो डोंट वरी कि मैं कल ही कस्टम डोमेन ऐड करके और जब जो लाइक परफॉर्मेंस और जियोग्राफिक और वेटेड हैं वो बताऊंगा तो उनके साथ में ये भी ऐड आउट कर दूंगा। क्लियर?
ठीक है
सो
सर।
थैंक यू फॉर लाइक अ टुडे सेशन। सो गाइस होप सो कि आपका लॉजिक क्लियर हो गया होगा। तो व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग अ ट्रैफिक मैनेजर? So basically the traffic manager is redirect the traffic in a different location as per the रिक्वायरमेंट, कि आपकी जो है कि आपको परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड रखना है, कि आपका जो भी ट्रैफिक है आप किस टाइप्स का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाना चाहते हैं, आप कंट्री वाइज मैपिंग करना चाहते हैं अपनी, या यू कैन यूज लाइक प्रायोरिटी वाइज मैपिंग करना चाहते हैं, या परफॉर्मेंस वाइज मैपिंग करना चाहते हैं। तो वो सारी की सारी आप मैपिंग कर सकते हैं अपने इंटायर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के अंदर। थैंक यू गाइस।